Would you like your Instagram stories to last longer than the usual 24 hours? You can do this with Instagram highlights. They allow you to pin your most important stories to your profile so your new and existing followers can see them well after the 24 hours expires. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I will show you how to create and update Instagram highlight stories for your tourism business. So new and existing followers can visit your profile and get a flavor for your business quickly and easily. So let's get started. Instagram story highlights act as your mini website. Think of each highlight as a page on your website. Your highlights are located between your Instagram bio and your grid posts. They are small circles that your audience will press for more details on a topic. Highlights are great for introducing yourself and answering your most frequently asked questions. Before you start creating your highlights, make sure you make a list of what they need to feature. You can include reviews, menus, special offers, and anything else that you'd like to showcase about your tourism business. For example, if you're running a hiking business, one highlight could briefly cover whom your tours are for, show a few of your team members and their roles plus your location. Highlight 2 could cover your customers enjoying your hikes. Highlight 3 could feature things your customers can do in your area, like canoeing or even a nearby restaurant for a post-hike lunch. That way you can sell the full package, your business and your location. Finally, Highlight 4 could feature reviews and testimonials from past guests to add credibility and trust. You must add a photo or review to your story before adding it to your highlight. The golden rule is to have between 3 to 7 highlights. If you have too many, it will be overwhelming for the user, and less than 3 would leave the users with more questions than answers. You can add as many as 100 stories per highlight, but it doesn't mean that you have to. If you want to highlight one or more current stories, a story that you posted within the last 24 hours, rather than creating one from scratch, then go to your stories and you'll see highlight at the bottom. Tap it and add it to your highlight. Click here to create a new highlight. You'll see your stories archive. Old stories appear here, so you can select from photos and videos you shared in the past to add to your new highlight. You can tap on your past stories to select them for your highlight. Now it's time to give your highlight a title. Name it as one of the categories. For example, reviews. You can also edit your story's highlight cover either by repositioning the image from one of your stories or uploading a photo from your camera roll. You just have to click on edit and move the image up and down until it fits the circle, or tap the photo icon at the bottom to upload a different image. This is what users will see, so make sure it reflects your content. If you want to delete a highlight, you can long hold on it and click delete. Say you have a highlight with a tour you no longer run. You can delete that photo instead of deleting the full highlight containing all your tours. It is important to keep your highlights relevant and up to date so that users see recent content. So it's best to update them approximately every 2 weeks. So there you have it. In other videos, we'll cover how best to use Instagram stories for your tourism business and how to create an Instagram reel to stand out from the crowd. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at faltaireland.ie.